Hi, John Conway from Sparkling Bins. Thanks once again for tuning in and watching one of our updates. The following is our next generation residential dual bin washing truck. This is going to be a game changer. This is the only truck of its kind in the industry. You're not going to see anything that compares to this. This truck can actually pick up and clean one bin at a time, or pick up and clean two bins at the same time using 8 gallons of water per minute. Every single traditional truck in the industry can pick up 2 bins at one time, but only clean one at a time. So we're looking at savings roughly over a course of 12 months, that trucks being in capacity between savings on gasoline, labor, $12,000 to $15,000. I had the pleasure of spending my entire day out with two of my drivers. We're in an area in Pinecrest where the homes are spread apart, 75 stops, 205 bins. It normally takes one driver 8 hours to get this route done. It took us 5.5 hours to get the route done. So again, labor savings, gasoline savings, one of a kind. Here you can see the powerful heads that we're using. The heads that we have are the most effective spitting heads in the industry. Hot water, hot volume. So, again, we listen to our clients. We've made a lot of modifications to our trucks and trailers based on feedback that we get from our client. We have an active Facebook page of 190 members that provide a lot of feedback. So here again, a demo, 2 heads running at the same time. This is the first time you've seen this in the industry. Sparkling Bins continues to be the trendsetters. Here you can see when you have 2 heads running at the same time, there are cleaning cycle on maintenance bins, and this route today was all maintenance bins. You're looking at 5 to 7 seconds is the cleaning cycle on these maintenance bins. So here we are again out using our latest model. We had this in our fleet for about 3 months, made a lot of modifications, and we've sold 3 already. So if you're interested in this new SB4 next generation model, give us a call, 305-382-2467, or send us an email, sales@sparklingbins.com. Check out our website, sparklingbinsbusiness.com. Thanks again for watching, and thanks again for your support.